Hi everyone, and welcome to the Wieland warehouse in Mississauga. We have a professional electrician with us today who will be using our Podis power distribution system for the first time ever to complete an EV charger installation. For those of you that don't know, Podis is a decentralized power distribution system that's been in use for over 10 years in the industrial space. And in Europe, it's already being used to install EV chargers, mostly because of its ease of use and quick installation time. We're now going to let Alex, our professional electrician, get to work and speed up this portion of the video. We'll check back in with him later on to get his professional impression and thoughts on our Podis system. Welcome back everyone. I'm here with Alex, our electrician, who has just completed the installation of our Podis 5G16 system. Alex, now that you've installed the system, you've installed one charger, what are your initial thoughts and impressions?
Overall, very easy, simple to understand, simple to install. I had no issues.
Great. And in the morning before you started, I know we gave you a quick tutorial with the instruction manuals and everything. How did you find all that information?
It was easy to understand. The manual laid everything out and I had no problems once you explained it, and once you open the box and see everything, it just kind of all fits together perfectly.
What was your favorite part of this install?
It's the overall ease. From start to finish, it was easier than bending conduit and installing heavy disconnects and pulling wires. Overall ease.
Excellent. Now, as you all can see, we have just one charger installed behind us, but I have a question for Alex. Let's say if we were to scale this up to 8 chargers, so this took a little under 2 hours, how long would you estimate an install would take for 8 chargers?
The initial install with the cable is the hardest part. Once that's done, adding on tap-ons are relatively easy. So for 8 chargers, I would say less than a day.
Excellent. And if we were to compare this to the traditional pipe and wire system, again, I have a question for you. How long would that take?
Well, with that, I would estimate multiple days, 3-4 days, I would say, depending on situation.
Excellent. That's incredible time savings and cost savings. So there you have it, folks. This full system is listed for the US, and therefore all that's required is the final approval by the authority having jurisdiction in the area where it's being installed. I want to add that this system is certified and approved for installation indoors, so any parking space such as this, indoor garages, etc. should be perfectly acceptable. On that note, I want to say thank you to Alex for all the hard work that he's done today. I encourage everyone to visit our website and please let us know if they have any questions. We'd be happy to help out. We have a lot of excellent information there, and I hope you found this video helpful for the Podis 5G16 system install. Thank you.